In this tutorial, you will learn who subscribed to your YouTube channel. You need to log into your account, then go to your channel icon in the top right-hand corner. Click on your channel logo and go to YouTube Studio. So this will pop up this window. Make sure you choose the dashboard, click on. So this is the channel dashboard. Go scroll down. You will see recent subscriber for last 90 days. And when you click that see all button, so it will brings you this page. So this is the subscribers. From right side, click on this drop down options for filtering your subscriber based on date. You can easily view your subscribers from 5 different time criteria here. You can filter by the date for the last 7 days, last 28 days, last 90 days, last 365 days, and lifetime. Click on the last 7 days. So you will see one person subscribed here. And it's subscribed, and also the subscriber count for this. His channel. Action column showed here subscribed, and the bottom is the option to view per page here. I choose 10, or you can choose 30. 50, so 30. Click on the top right filter option for 28 days. So you see this is pop up and it shows the date. Subscribe and subscribe account for that channel. Change the row per page 50, so it will show me more results. Change the filter criteria for last 365 days. And also the lifetime. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. So you know who are subscriber your channel. So if you like this channel, please like, share and subscribe to Saranatic. Thanks for watching.